Hey guys, welcome to a new video, and today we'll be doing the unboxing of the OnePlus Nord Buds CE, which were actually launched a few days ago, I think 2 or 3 days ago. And this is the first time that I'm making such an elaborate video of unboxing a device, so please show your support. And I just peeled off the plastic from the cover, and actually the cover feels premium to touch. Okay, so let's remove the top part, and here are the earbuds themselves. They are white in color, and let's just pick them up and see how they actually look from the inside. Okay, that blue color actually looks nice. Let's keep them to the side for a minute and see what else do we get in the box. So there's another box inside the main box which is neon in color, and I think it has the accessories. First thing that you get inside the box is a USB-C cable which is red in color. The second thing that you get is one sticker and a red cable club card. And another thing is the manual inside the box. So now let's look at the earbuds casing. As you can see, it has the Type-C port at the bottom. The color of the earbuds actually looks very nice and it's good to look at. And as we can clearly see, they are inspired from the classic Apple AirPods. So on the top we don't get any silicone ear tips, and on the bottom are the charging ports for the device to be charged, and that's how the device actually looks in comparison with some other popular earphones. On the right is the Nothing Ear one, and now on the left are the Samsung Galaxy earbuds. Right, so keeping all the things back in the box because I did not know how to conclude the video in any other way. So these are available for a price of around rupees 2500 on Flipkart, and I would say that the call quality and the audio quality is actually good for the price they are coming at. So thank you guys for watching the video and hope you liked it.